Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to deal with algebraic expressions which you have already studied in your lower classes. I am going to deal with 8th class. Now, listen carefully. I am taking an example. 2x plus 5. This is called as open sentence, as you have studied in the previous classes. We also call it as algebraic expression. One more example. This is also an algebraic expression. It has variables. And here 4 is called as coefficient of x, 5 is called as coefficient of y, 2 is called as coefficient of x, and this x and y are called as variables. Now let me write this 2x plus 5 equal to 9. You can see that I have equated this algebraic expression to 9. This becomes an algebraic equation. Let me define it. Algebraic equation is equality of algebraic expressions involving variables and constants. Let me repeat once again. Algebraic equation is equality of algebraic expressions involving variables and constants. This was the definition of algebraic equation. Dear students, you are requested to pass the video, and whatever I have said now, please make a note of it. Now, let us see how we can solve this algebraic equation. So here 2x plus 5 is equal to 9. Here the algebraic expression which is left to equality sign is called as left hand side. We write in short form as LHS. The algebraic expression which is at the right of equal to sign, equality sign, is said as right hand side, and short form is RHS. So LHS and RHS will be equal for a certain value of x. LHS and RHS will be equal for a certain value of x. That value of x is called as solution of the algebraic equation. I will find it now. Here 5 is added to 2x. Let me subtract 5 on both sides. So I can write it as 2x plus 5 minus 5 equal to 9 minus 5. Here 5 and minus 5 gets cancelled because 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So I am left over with 2x equal to 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. Here 2 is multiplied to x. You can see very easily it is 2 into x. 2x. So I will dividing both sides by 2. What happens now? Let us see. 2x by 2 is equal to 4 by 2. Now by 2 table, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. I am left over with x equal to 2. So I got here x equal to 2. This x equal to 2 is called as solution of the quadratic equation. I think it is clear to you. Students, you are requested to pause the video and make a note of it. Write it clearly in your classwork. Okay? The remaining will be continued after this.